Hey there, Sam here from Referral Auto Group, and behind me today I got a used 2015 Tiffin Phaeton motorhome. It's a 36GH model. It's got a Cummins engine with a Freightliner chassis. The Cummins engine is about 380 horsepower, and the vehicle itself measures about 39 feet. We're selling it for $154,995. The month is currently July of 2025. So, a few things about us. We're over in Escalon, California. You could call us at any time at this number, 350-207-7290, okay? Other than that, let's get into the walkthrough. This is one of those vehicles you let speak for itself. So I'm gonna say a few things, but mostly just gonna let you enjoy the ride here. Right here is the front cap. It's a full body paint on this Tiffin Phaeton, all the way around. You have slide toppers, lots of storage compartments. You have 3 slide outs. Outdoor TV. See my reflection in almost every surface on this thing. Michelin tires, 22 inches. Let's head inside. We'll start off with the captain's chair. Look at that. I'm gonna turn around and take a look at our captain's seats real quick. It's a 2015, so you have a little bit of wear and tear, but nothing too crazy. Few chairs that are far more comfortable than they have any right to be. I only say that because I sat in it, was very surprised myself. Dining table, extra chair, TV, fireplace, full granite countertops, double dish sink, stove top, your dishwasher. See inside. Convection oven. Electric stovetop. Stainless steel sink. Residential fridge. Coming into the bathroom area. Not a pool, it's a slide. Across from the bed, you have your TV, lots of storage. Everything's going to be real wood in here. You have 2 sets of doors here, in case you wanted a little bit more privacy. You're back into. Hope you enjoyed that quick walkthrough today of the Tiffin Phaeton behind me, the 2015. It's got 71,000 miles on it, a Cummins diesel engine, and it's about 37 feet in length. If you have any questions, you can call me at this number, 350-207-7290. That's Sam over at Referral Auto Group. See you soon.